Hi, this is Jennifer, and this is my response to Mrs. Johnson's question 2 as relates to the Hyatt case, um, whether the plaintiff's lawyer could have filed this case in Georgia state court. So I went into Westlaw and I looked for elements of wrongful termination based on, in the same sense as religion or religious discrimination in Georgia. And when I did this, I did not include federal cases. So that brought up some Georgia statutes, which is Georgia law, and I was kind of excited that, here's employers and discrimination, and it says it is unlawful practice for an employer to refuse to hire, to discharge, or otherwise discriminate against any individual with respect to the privileges of employment because of his race, color, religion, national origin, disability, or age. But when I looked here, as you can see, this is Title 45 of the Georgia Code Annotated for public officers and employees. Well, Mr. Wyatt was a private. He was the employee of a private company. He was not. He wasn't a state employee or a federal employee, or worked at a school or a state-owned university, or he was not a public officer or employee. He worked for a private company. So I saw this flag here for proposed legislation, and I clicked here and found this Georgia House bill, which is still pending. And when I open it up to read it, it talks about it's a proposed bill to protect the citizens of Georgia against civil rights violations. And when I started reading down here, it says Georgia is one of only 3 states without comprehensive state civil rights laws protecting individuals from discrimination in employment, housing, and public accommodations. So that reinforced to me that there is no law, no Georgia state law, under which Mr. Hyatt's attorney could have filed. He had to go to federal court. So maybe this bill was introduced in February of this year, and like I said, it's still pending. It looks like it has some comments and changes going on, so it's going to have to go through all the steps, through all the proper steps to get passed into the law. So there are no cases, Georgia cases, state cases supporting any right that Mr. Hyatt would have to file in civil court, in state court. So they had to do federal court. Thank you.